What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today we are doing a beard update. And it's been a long time since I've done this, man. And right now, let's get into it. What you see is about 3.5, 4 months of progress after I shaved. And I'll put a picture up right here so y'all can see what it looked like before I shaved my sides, my cheeks, these cheeks up here. You feel me? Because I've always had the goatee rocking. So this is what you can see. Got the vellus hairs rocking right there, coming in. Pretty good. This has been able to grow pretty thick, and as usual, all up under the face, side. This is my weaker side, and this is my stronger side, but you really can't tell because the weak side is now caught up with the strong side. You feel me? It's almost like my strong side is now my weak side. It's kind of crazy how that works, but derma rolling, you gotta have a derma roller. Matter of fact, let me go get the derma roller real quick. Gotta have the derma roller on deck, you know what I'm saying? I have the 0.5 mm and the 1 mm, you know what I'm saying? The 1.0 mm, and that seems to do the job. But what you do is take it, hit the areas you want to see grow, you know what I'm saying? Don't do it clockwise like this, you're gonna scratch your stuff up, but you wanna go up and down, you wanna go horizontal, you wanna go diagonal on both sides. Hit all the areas that you want to see progress and growth, you know what I mean? And of course, I got the Minoxidil right there. Got the Minoxidil, got my beard oil that I put together. It has pumpkin seed oil, avocado oil, castor oil, some rosemary oil, all in my little concoction right there. It also has tea tree oil and argan oil in it too. So, hey man, I'm just over there throwing all the ingredients in there to see what works. And look, y'all tell me. Before picture, in the mo picture. Oh, I'll tell you. And really, that's all you need for your games, you know what I mean? You need a good brush, boar bristle. You need a comb, plastic or wooden. I have all of that, I got a plastic pick right here, but my wooden comb is in the bathroom. You need all that stuff. The beard oil, you want to make sure you're washing your face at least once a week. I would say even more if you're athletic, you know what I mean? See me, I've been hitting the gym, so I do it like twice a week sometimes, but I try to do at least once every Monday is my wash routine and exfoliating and stuff like that. But your boy been hitting the gym, trying to drop a few pounds, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting there. That also helps with beard progress because you're getting that blood pumping in the right areas. Not only are you using the derma roller to get blood in the right areas, but you're also getting your whole body pumped with good blood flow when you go to the gym, eating right, sleeping good, drinking plenty of water. Gotta have the water on deck. Matter of fact, one more water here. This ain't my water, this is my wife's water, but we're gonna hit it real quick. Oh, hood. Just know if you thirsty, your beard thirsty too. So you gotta stay hydrated. You gotta keep your face clean, keep your body clean inside and out, and you're gonna be good, you know what I'm saying? But back to the results, you know what I mean? As you can see, the goatee, it's always been thick. The mustache is coming in pretty good. Connectors on the side, because I had all this shave cut, and all my sides was cut off. But let me know down below what y'all think about the results. Like I said, it's 3.5, 4 months in of grow back, and the Minoxidil has gotten me where it is. Now, if y'all want to see a picture of what I look like when I first started, so y'all got hope, you know what I mean? Y'all got hope. When it feels like it's a note, trust me, y'all got hope. Your boy ain't always used to be this bearded up, you know what I'm saying? And now that I got the full coverage going on, it's not fully covered, as you can see. I still got light areas up in here, a few light areas up in here. I got light areas up in here. You know what I'm saying? But we rocking, you feel me? We rock. Oh, we can't forget about the soul patch, or the little soully right there. He's still souling. But as you can see, the beard is on me, and I am thankful that I continue with the Minoxidil and just keeping up with it in general and not just shaving it all off and keeping a smooth face, looking younger than what I am, you know what I'm saying? Because if I shaved all this off, I'm gonna look younger than what I am, you know what I'm saying? And we ain't trying to do that, at least not right now. Maybe when I get in my 50s or 60s, but you know what I mean? Right now, I'm rocking the full, I'm trying to get it big, you know what I mean? Or as big as it can get, not like crazy, you know what I'm saying? I want to keep it like somewhere up in here, you know what I mean? Get it a little bit thicker than what it is right, well, a lot of bit thicker than what it is right now. Get it a lot darker and, a little bit more plump, you know what I mean? That's how I want mine. I want it to be a little bit more plump and Yeah. But anyways, I think I covered just about everything. Keeping y'all updated with the beard gains. I'm gonna try to be more and more consistent with the beard gains because a lot of you all are rocking with it. So let me know in the comments how often you want me to post the beard results. I can do it every week, you know, once a week, twice a week, however y'all want to do it, you know what I mean? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see y'all on the next video. It's your boy Locked In with Trey. Make sure y'all like this video, share this video with other people, and we're gonna keep it rocking. Hey, see y'all on the next one. All right, peace.